start off is going to be Sohan. So Sam's going to give a little introduction, and we're going to get started with our presentations.
Yes. So this first project I'm really excited about for all of you guys to see. It's like really freaking cool. Sohan here is our carpenter extraordinaire. You're gonna see a safe that he himself built with the components and everything. It's crazy. So with that, I'm gonna let Sohan take it away for his presentation.
All right. Hi, my name is Sohan, and I'm a rising junior at Xavier High School. And my project is the Rfid and Fingerprint Scanner safe. And the reason why I chose this project is because it involved a lot of hands-on work, as well as an equal amount of code, which suited my interests well, as I really enjoy woodworking and circuitry. I added also a couple of modifications, which will be seen in my demonstration video. All right. So as you can see, before I even start the video, on the LCD display, it asks you to choose an unlocking mode, either 1 or 2. So during the beginning of this video, I'll first go through mode 1.
1.
So as I said the number 1 out loud, which the voice recognition module picked up, and then moved on to the LCD display, asking for the correct RFID card to be scanned. And throughout this process, if you can see those LEDs on the left-hand side of the screen, will turn on when each level of security has been cleared. So now it's the fingerprint scanner. Now, because the correct fingerprint was sensed, the orange light turned on, and now on the LCD display, it still says it's locked, and now I have to enter the secret password, which is saying the word open. Finally, the green light turns on, the buzzer plays, and the safe opens. And in order to lock the safe, there's 2 mechanisms, and the first will be seen right now.
Lock.
You can say the word lock out loud, which will be picked up by the voice recognition module, and turn the servo to lock the box. So now I'm going to show you how mode 2 works. So first, I begin by saying 2 to choose the mode.
2.
So now the blue light turns on, signifying that the next step is going to take place.
8, 3, 5, 6.
And now I'm just
6.
entering a verbal password, which is being picked up by the voice recognition module, and the orange light turns on. And finally, the secret password is a knock, turning the green light on, the buzzer on, and opening the safe. And the second way to lock the safe is to press that button, which essentially resets the code, locking the box. All right. So the main components that I worked with to complete this project begin with the LCD display, which is a 16:2 backlit screen that's able to display characters. I also used a RFID sensor that uses radio frequency to scan a tag with a unique identification number. And you saw that voice recognition module, which is able to capture the pitch of someone's voice and record certain numbers and simple phrases. I also used a fingerprint scanner, which is actually an optical scanner that takes an image of your finger and understands and recognizes the grooves on it to record this data in the scanner. And lastly, I also used a knock sensor, which is essentially a sound sensor, but I set it up so when the vibration from a knock is felt by the sensor, it would set it off. So the main challenge that I ran into during this project was really combining the code of each sensor into my main string of code. Because how I made this project was getting each component working itself and then combining it into my main code. And in order to combine it to the main code, I used a series of if statements and added several variables. And this is what allowed me to have the several different layers of security in the different modes on my project. So the main lesson that I really learned at Bluestamp was that hard work does truly pay off. And the reason why I say this is because I really put a lot of time and effort into adding several modifications and making the wooden box myself. And I really felt that this dedication did pay off in the end, as now I have a fully functioning safe that is quite secure. Thank you. And are there any questions?
Good job, Sohan. Oh my God. Yeah, guys, it's really cool. Are there any questions?
I have a question. Well, I mean, this is not like an actual technical question, but like, what was your favorite part to work with that you had? Because you obviously have so many parts in there, but like,
Yeah.
I'm sure there's
To
one
be
that matter.
honest, I think my favorite part was that voice recognition module because I feel like I've never seen it on any other projects. And I just thought it was like really cool because it was like connected directly to the Arduino. Like usually voice recognition modules might have to be connected through like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth from your phone or something, but this was like a component like directly to your Arduino. So I thought that was really cool.
Yeah, no, that's super cool. Awesome job.
I actually I have one more question just real quick. What do you have like a future mod that you want to do with the box?
Ooh, to be honest, I want to add lights in the inside of it. I did want to add lights, but there's actually not enough room on the Arduino board because I had so many sensors. So I think something in the future is I can add like actual nice lights. So when I open the box, the lights will turn on.
I think that'd be sick, man.
That's awesome.
Awesome
Awesome
job,
job.
Sohan.
All right. Next